Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 8 in VirtualBox in your Windows PC. So to start off, we will need these two files, VirtualBox of course, and then the Windows 8.1 ISO file. I have left both of these files in the description below, so you can go ahead and download those. So the first thing we will need to do is double click on this VirtualBox installer to run the installer. Actually, when you do that, it will come up with a prompt user account control. I have disabled that because when it was enabled by default, when I tried to screen record it, it just wouldn't work when I tried it a couple of times, so it just glitches out. But anyways, click next once it has loaded. Click next, and then yes, and then install. Please wait while the setup wizard installs VirtualBox. So it will not take several minutes. Normally it just takes about 20 seconds to install, depending on your computer speed. So now once the VirtualBox is installed, click finish and it will automatically start VirtualBox. I have this VirtualBox Windows 8.1. I'll just remove that because we're going to create a new virtual machine, Windows 8.1. Now click new to create a new virtual machine. Give it a name. I'll just give it Windows 8.1, and the type, it should automatically be selected as Microsoft Windows, and version, it will also automatically be selected as Windows 8.1 64-bit. Now click next, and the recommended memory size is 2048 megabytes, 2 gigabytes. I'll just leave it at 2 gigabytes, 2048 megabytes. If you have a lot of memory, then of course you can give it more memory, but I only have 8 gigabytes of memory in my computer, and I also added 2048 megabytes to this Windows 7, so I'll just give it 2048 megabytes. Now click next and click create. Click next, and storage space also, you can give it 40 gigabytes. If you have more, then you can of course give more. Now click create, and then we need to modify some settings in the virtual machine. So to do that, click settings, click the settings icon and go to system, uncheck this floppy option and move the hard disk to the top and the optical next to it, and you can go to display, and video memory, you can bump that up all the way up to 128 megabytes, and you don't need to change the stuff here. Yes, no. So go to storage, go to this empty disk and click on this little disk icon and click choose a disk file. And my Windows 8.1 ISO is located in the desktop, so just go to desktop and select the Windows 8.1 ISO file. Click open to choose the file and click OK to save changes. Now finally start the virtual machine. View, I'll just scale it up to 150%. Go to full screen if you want, and now it's loading Windows 8.1. This won't take long. I think 150% is a bit too large, so 125%. Yes, it's good. So now it's time to select your language and time and currency format and keyboard or input method. I have selected this as United States. It automatically selected. So now click next. Now click install now, and you can see setup is starting. So it asks to enter a product key for Windows 8.1. When I enter the product key, I'll just come right back and I'll pause the video here. So I have entered the product key of the Windows 8.1 installation. After this, you will see this license terms. Just hit on I accept the license terms, and now click next and choose custom install. And you can see drive 0 unallocated space. Click next and it will start installing Windows. This will take few seconds, and as it says, your computer will actually restart several times. This might take a while. So once this install process has completed, I will come right back and I will pause the video here. So I'm back. The installation has just completed. So I'll give the PC a name. I'll just give it 8.1. Okay, I'll just give it Win 8, and then pick a color you like to personalize. I like this color. This is the default color in Windows 8, but you can choose any other color from here, like this, or black. I'll just leave it at the default one. Just click next once you have finished personalizing your PC, and I'll use express settings, checking your internet connection. I don't know how long this will take. Just a few seconds, I think. Okay. Windows is having trouble connecting to the internet. Well, I will actually come back when finished setting this up. So I'll pause the video here and I will come back after setting this. So I'm back. The installation has completed and I was able to connect to Wi-Fi successfully, which is good. And this is the Windows 8.1 Pro desktop, and I have entered the product key, and this is Windows 8.1 Pro build 9600. So that is how to install it. You might have noticed that my screen is fitting this resolution is perfect. It's fitting to my 1920 by 1080 monitor, and because I inserted the guest editions CD image. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know down in the comments if you had any problems. Ask me. So I will see you in the next one.